you are like me, I love Hamburger Helper. But you know, I love it homemade because there's so many chemicals in it. Now, you know, if you can avoid chemicals, by all means do. If you can't do your own, then, you know, that it works. Especially when you're stocking your pantry on a budget. The Hamburger Helper that goes on sale for 75 cents to $1 a box. Heck yeah, I'd stock up on it. But in the meantime, I do make my own. And I'm going to show you a beautiful seasoning blend for seasoning your hamburger meat for your Hamburger Helper. Okay? Let me get my cheaters on. We're going to use 2 cups of powdered milk. Okay, there's 1. 2. Okay? And then we're going to do 1 cup of cornstarch. So I'm going to use my spoon to shovel it out of there, because we need 1 cup of this. And you can use this to season any type of homemade Hamburger Helper you want to make. This is just the basic seasoning mix for it. Okay, there's 1 cup. Okay. I'm making a mess. Okay, and then we're going to use 1/4 cup of beef bouillon. I should be able to slip that right in there. Alright, 1/4 cup. And now we've got 2 tablespoons of onion flakes that we're going to put in here. Now remember, this is seasoning, so you can always chop up your onions extra for it, you know, and fry it up with it. This is just a seasoning blend. Okay, 1 teaspoon of basil. Oh my gosh, that stuff smells so good. 1 teaspoon of thyme. This is my own thyme that I grew. So is my basil. I grow all my herbs. I love it. You'll see this summer. I'll be doing lots of videos on my herbs in my garden. Okay, and we're going to do 1 teaspoon of pepper. Hopefully I don't overdo it. Let's go over this so I don't wind up putting too much in there. Okay, 1 teaspoon of pepper. And we're going to do 2 tablespoons of parsley. And you can do more if you like. I'm going to do 2 nice generous tablespoons. And then 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. There we go. So with that, we're going to mix this all up together. Oh my gosh, that smells wonderful. I love this stuff. I use it all the time. I love making and in fact I'm going to do a video on it within the next couple of weeks. I'm going to do my video on my homemade Hamburger Helper, the potato stroganoff, the skillet style. And it is in my Homestead Pantry cookbook, or Little Pantry cookbook. Little Homestead Pantry cookbook, excuse me. That recipe's in there, and we're going to be doing that recipe. That's how it looks. Absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to find a jar for that to put that in. But when you use this, the most important part is you're going to use 1/2 cup of this per pound of burger that you're cooking. So if you use 2 pounds, you're going to want to use a whole cup of this to season that. And you just put it in there when you would put your liquids in. You mix this in with your hot liquid and then pour it in your beef. Wonderful stuff. So there you have it, friends. Very easy to put together and a healthier version. Thanks for watching.